So today we are going to learn factorization methods. In the previous class we have learned about the first factorization method, that is Doolittle methods. Now we have to learn about CROUTS method and CHOLESKYS method. So these are the factorization methods: Doolittle method, CROUTS and CHOLESKY method. Today we are going to learn about these two methods. So how to solve CROUTS method? So first of all, you have to consider the matrix equation of the system of three equations in three unknowns. So consider the matrix, that is Ax equal to B. Then we can write the matrix A as product of two matrices, that is upper triangular matrices and lower triangular matrices. So here the matrix L is given and matrix U is given. Now, in order to solve this, you have to substitute equation 2 in equation 1. Then you will get Lux equal to B. And put Ux equal to Y. Then you will get Ly equal to B, where Y is some unknown. Then, therefore, and put this as equation 4. Okay. Then to find the solution of system 1, we will have to solve for this equation 4 and then equation 3. Okay, but before that we will have to evaluate the values of L and U. Now the steps to solve this problem. First you have to write matrix A equal to matrix L into U matrix, where L and U are the lower and upper triangular matrices. Then you have to calculate the product of L and U. So that matrix will comes out to be like this. That is, you have to, in order to get L11, you are multiplying this row with this column. And to get this, you multiply this row with this column. Similarly, to get this, you have to multiply this row with this column. And to get L21, U12 plus L22, then L21 U13 plus L22 U23. You have to multiply this row with this columns, this and this columns. Okay, that is nothing but matrix multiplication. So we have already learned about matrix multiplication in the lower classes, is it? So you have to calculate the product of L and U. This is the A matrix. Okay, so this has been written in the form A equal to LU. So A equal to LU. So product of L and U is written here. Next you have to write L and U matrices separately. Then you have to solve Ly equal to B by forward substitution and Ux equal to Y by backward substitution. Here X is the unknown which we have to calculate. Okay. Now you have to solve using CROUTS method. This is the question given. So first of all we are writing the matrix, transforming this equation. Okay, we are writing the matrix A equal to matrix L into matrix U. L and U are the lower and upper triangular matrix. So A matrix is nothing but the coefficient matrix. That is 3, 1, 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1, 2 and 1. So you have to, in the next step, what we have to do is, you have to multiply this two matrices. Okay. Then you will get a single 3 by 3 matrix like this. From this, you have to compare both these matrices and find out the values of these unknowns. Okay, so we know L11 is in the position of 3, so we can write L11 equal to 3. Similarly, L11 U12 is in the position of 1, so equate that with 1. You have to find, then you will get the value of U12. Similarly, equate L11 U13 with 2, then you will get the value of U13 as 2 by 3. So thus you have to what? Equate this terms with the terms in this matrices, and you have to find out the values of each elements. So after finding these elements, you have to write L and U matrices separately. So you will get L matrix as like this and U matrix as like this. So next step is we have to find Ly equal to B. So y is some unknown which have to be calculated. So we can proceed only if we find the values of this y matrix. Okay, so this is the L matrix. Then y matrix can be written as y1, y2, y3, and this is the B matrix. So B matrix is given in question. Okay, this is the B matrix, that is 3, -3 and 4. That is the B matrix. So from this you can find the value of y1, y2, y3 by matrix multiplication. So multiplying this row into this column, you will get the value of y1 equal to 1. Then multiplying this row with this column, you can find the value of y2, and multiplying this row with this column, you can get the value of y3. Okay, after finding this y matrix, you can calculate, you can solve to get x matrix. That is, we know u into x is equal to y. So now we have already found out y matrices. So substitute the value of y matrix in this. So you will get the matrix can be written in this form. So this is the upper triangular matrix, this is the x matrix, and this is the y matrix. So from this you can calculate the value of x1, x2 and x3. So doing matrix multiplication, you will get multiplying first this, that is this third row into this column, you will get the value of x3 equal to -1. Then multiplying this row with this column, you can find the value of x2, and multiplying this row with this column, you can find the value of x1. Okay, thus we have found out the solution for the equation, that is x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 2 and x3 equal to -1. So this is how we solve the system of equations using CROUTS method. Okay, so hope all of you have understood. Next we are going to learn about CHOLESKYS method. So in CHOLESKYS method, unlike this Doolittle's and also CROUTS method, it does not have any condition for main diagonal entries. So this matrix is applicable only in case of symmetric matrices. Let's go on through the steps. Okay, so for solving the problem, you have to learn the step first. Okay, what all you have to do step by step, we can learn. So first step is you have to create matrix A, matrix X and matrix B. Then you have to write A matrix as L into L transpose. Okay. So after finding L into L transpose, you can find the values of unknowns included in that matrices. Okay, after that you have to solve for y. That is, you can write it as Ly equal to B. So from Ly equal to B, you can get the values of y. So after we can further proceed only if we find the value of y, because in order to get the unknown x, you have to substitute the value of y in this equation. That is L transpose into x equal to y. Okay, then you have to solve for x. So this is the method. So you have to keep the steps in mind for solving this. Now we can check out how to solve the system of equations using CHOLESKYS method. So yeah, we can look at the question here. This is the question. Then how to solve.